very good morning. I am Ganesh Ram, student of Polytechnic Banting Selangor. I am doing this video for communicative English. Today I am glad to give you a comparison between iPhone smartphone family. Here we have iPhone 6 and iPhone 5s. As we see, there have a lot of comparison between iPhone 6 and iPhone 5. Basically, we can see the screen is wider than iPhone 5s. iPhone 6 screen size is 4.7 inches, while iPhone 5s screen size is 4.0. Moreover, the storage of iPhone 5 is less than iPhone 6. iPhone 5 just have 64 GB, but iPhone 6 have 128 GB. Besides that, they have similarities too. What are the similarities we can see is the camera. The front camera iPhone 5s and iPhone 6 is 1.2 megapixel, while the differences between iPhone 6 and the advanced is the glass, LCD glass. iPhone 6 have light sensor, proximity sensor, scratch resistant glass, while the iPhone 5s didn't have the scratch resistant safetiness. Moreover, we can see they have the touchpad for open the iPhone system. Then iPhone 6 can be upgraded into iOS 10 version, but iPhone 5s only can be iOS 9 version. Here are some information about the world expensive smartphone. iPhone is my favorite phone too. I'm glad all of us might be used the smartphone. Thank you.